Yeah, do I have to go fast?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't like going fast. It's scary. My blades aren't sharp. Maybe I'll get someone else to go fast on my behalf, yeah? How do you go fast on ice? Well, first off, I should demonstrate actually. First off, if this is you, I could probably say you probably shouldn't be going fast. And if this is you stopping, then you also probably shouldn't be going fast, because people are not going to like you like a wild cannon flying around the ice waiting to knock someone over. This is ice skating and it's not bowling, okay? Nobody likes a bowling ball on the ice, okay? But that said, if you're still determined to go very, 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 very fast, or a little bit faster than before, here are some tips how you can do it. Now, first off, I'm not a speed skater, I'm a figure skater, okay? So, of course, a speed skater will tell you in-depth tips of how to go as fast as possible, but I'm just going to give you from a figure skater's perspective. So, first thing you've got to understand how to do to go fast is load up over your pushing foot so you can get a good push and transfer. The other thing you're going to need to do is use your body in opposition, leg to the arm, like this. If you're skating, you can follow me, Phil. Let's go around for a little tour. If you're skating like this, something like that, you're not going to go very fast. If you're skating like this, you're going to go faster. Next thing you're going to need to do is bend your knees. If you're not bending your knees and you're skating like this, you're also not going to go very fast. I can try as much as I want, but on stiff knees, I'm not going to go as fast as if I bend and drive, okay? So, we have, what did I start with? What was my first point? I don't remember what my first point is. Okay, yes. We have loading up over the pushing foot. We have the push and transfer. We have working in opposition. Next thing we're going to need is getting a little bit low. Be a bit more aerodynamic. If we skate up like this, I mean, we're not going to go as fast as if we're down nice and low, like this, okay? So, aerodynamic, load over the pushing foot, push and drive, and down in those knees. I'm going to help you go faster. Now, one final thing I want to add, this is about just going fast. In figure skating, we can't just skate like this where we just want to go fast. We have to skate fast and look nice, okay? But for this video, really, it's just about going fast, okay? So, one thing I'm going to want to say is, yes, we use some shorter pushes to get started, but as we get skating afterwards, we use bigger strides, bigger, longer strides where we can fully transfer our weight and use the full length of the pushing foot and the toe at the end to finish off the push fully. If I keep in this leg bent as I push, I only get half the power I could. Are you ready to move, Phil? We're gonna have to move a little bit to demonstrate this one. If I don't push fully and extend, look. I can do everything right, but I'm not going as fast as if I finish my pushes like this. You see here, I'm pushing and driving. With less pushes, I'm going to go faster across the ice. Please tell me you're recording this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I've had to do this again. I can go fast. You ready to go fast?
Yeah.
Come on, I got to skate a little bit fast to kind of show that it goes fast. All right, you ready? Let's go, come on. So if I go fast, I don't have blades. I have no edges. Can't go. Fitness isn't what it used to be. That was horrible. My fitness isn't what it used to be. Anyway, if you want to go fast, you're going to need to know how to stop. You should watch one of the other videos to know how to stop without crashing into a barrier or crashing into someone else. I hope these tips helped you. If you want to go fast, if you want to go fast as a figure skater, I can make a video about that too. So, if you liked the video, let me know in the comments below. Give a thumbs up, share it. I'll be super happy, obviously, you know. And let me know in the comments below, do you like to go fast? Do you enjoy other people going fast on the ice? Or do you roll your eyes and go, oh, here we go, another bowling ball on the ice, was he? So, let me know. I'll see you next time.